So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut.
Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a fast 10-minute clean with me and tidy up some areas around the house. I'm so excited because this video is in collaboration with my friend Tammy from Tammy's Best Life. So make sure you go check out her channel. I'm going to let her introduce herself right here.
Hey everyone, my name is Tammy and I'm a wife and mom to 3 beautiful baby girls. On my channel I do all things motherhood, cleaning, motivation, grocery hauls, and lifestyle videos. I would love for you to check out my channel once you are done watching my girl Shan's video so you can join my fam jam so we can live our best lives together.
Make sure you go check out my girl Tammy's channel. You are going to love her. Send her lots of love. Tell her Sean Yvonne sent you. Leave her a comment. Make her feel loved like you make me feel loved. I will really appreciate it. Now, we're going to get straight into this video. I'm going to be starting out in my living room, just tidying it up really quickly. It did not take me long. There's always blankets everywhere because everybody is always cold. We love to have our blankets and just snuggle up on the couch. So I'm going to get those folded, get the pillows put back on the couch, and we're going to be done. It's super quick and easy. This is something you can do every single day.
We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages.
If you're coming over from Tammy's channel, or if this is your first time visiting my channel today, hi, welcome. My name is Sean Yvonne, and I'm a wife and a mom of 2 beautiful babies. And on my channel, I post all things cleaning motivation. So if that is your thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here as a friend. Leave me a comment down below. Introduce yourself so we can chat. I hope you get all the motivation you need out of this video to go quickly get some things tidied up around your home today. I like to do quick cleans when my kids go down for a nap. I can't just leave the mess from the morning, just lingering. So when they go down for a nap, I do this every single day. I fold up the blankets and just completely clean the living area so I can relax, in a nice environment, because when things are out of place, I just don't feel okay. And I don't know if any of you are like that. Let me know in the comments. But if things are not put together, I cannot relax in that space.
Every day now I confess.
Moving on to cleaning up my son's bathroom, I'm just gonna wipe down the counter, wipe the toilet, clean out the sink, and I'm gonna be done. This is not a deep clean by any means because it doesn't always need that. Like, these are just things I would do throughout the week just to keep my house looking the way I want it to look. Hope is that from my channel you guys will just see my real life and how I keep up my house. It is not always perfect. It's also not always a hot mess. Some days I'm on top of it and some days I'm not. Sometimes I don't feel like cleaning a lot, so I do quick cleans like this. You don't always have to deep clean your house and have everything perfect. As long as it looks presentable, tidy ups are necessary throughout the week. I do 1 deep cleaning a week, and every other day I'm just tidying up the bathrooms, the kitchen, the living room, and areas like that just to stay on top of things. I want a toilet one so bad, but please convince me in the comments that it is worth $10, okay? Because your girl likes to be frugal and I don't like spending a whole lot of money on my products, okay? I like to bargain shop, and when I saw that it was $10, I have been hesitant. I'm holding on to these coins, okay? My bedroom, if you guys do not already know, I spend no time of my day in this room because my daughter's crib is in here and I just don't like being in here. I spend most of my time just in the living room chilling on the couch. I only come in my bedroom for sleep, which is why it looks so plain. I know I had one of my subscribers tell me, girl, you need to spruce up your bedroom, and I will. I promise you guys, I will refresh my bedroom when I feel like I'll spend more time in it. But for now, I'm just making up the bed because that's the only thing I use in here anyway. Now I'm tidying up my bathroom, just picking up clothes off of the floor. I'm gonna clear the countertops. I am so sorry that you guys can see my tripod through the mirror. Your girl was trying to get another angle, but I was moving so fast that I didn't realize it. But just excuse the cords or whatever and focus on the cleaning. I'm gonna get this sink all tidied up, clean my toilet, and then we're gonna be done with this quick clean with me today, okay?
There's some stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millennia, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flash.
Not already following me over on Instagram, don't forget to do so. You can find me at squeaky_clean_life. I would always love to talk to you over there and connect with you better. So go follow your girl so we can chat. Y'all, I just had to mention that I bought into the hype and bought this sprayway glass cleaner, and I love it. It makes me want to clean these mirrors in the house, and you guys know that this is definitely not my favorite task, but I'm loving it.
I've got
You guys have enjoyed seeing me quickly tidy up my house today. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and have your notification bell on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Go check out my girl Tammy's channel once you're done watching mine. You are going to love her. Tell her Sean Yvonne sent you. Leave me some comments down below. You guys know I love talking to you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.